Standard 7. So welcome in our new session of SS. Here is our workbook and today we are doing our chapter 15, social and political life, equality and democracy. So here are the MCQs. Number 1, which country has the largest democracy in the world? मैंने आपको बताया था अभी टेक्स्ट बुक में. Which country has the largest democracy in the world? It's India. Which country has the largest written constitution? It's also India. Who has given equal opportunity to all citizens? Constitution of India. Who has given right to equality to every citizen? It's again Constitution of India. Using whom do the citizens from the government in democracy? It's a suffrage, means voting का अधिकार हमारा. At what age is suffrage got in our country? It's 18. हम कब वोट देने का अधिकार मिलता है? 18 ईयर में. Who arranged voting in our country? It's a election commission. Election commission arranged the voting in our country. The children of what age have right to free, compulsory and universal education? Is 6 to 14 year. Of the child under how many year is employed for any work? It is called child labor. Is a 14 year. 14 ईयर से कम बच्चे को अगर कोई वर्क पे रखता है तो वो चाइल्ड लेबर में आता है. It is violation of law to employ children under the age of how many year? Again 14 year. What is the given very much importance in democratic country? It's a equality. Equality is a very much importance of our country. Incident which violate right to equality creates an adverse impact of what of the society? It's a harmony. मीन सबसे जो सब वोटर्स राइट इक्वालिटी मतलब क्या क्रिएट करना पड़ता है, किस चीज़ का इम्पैक्ट सबसे ज़्यादा सोसाइटी पर होता है, वो होता है हारमोनी यानी कि शांति बन रहे. नेक्स्ट इज अ ब्लैंक्स. इंडिया इज अ कंट्री ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. इंडिया. नेक्स्ट इज अगेन इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी इन द वर्ल्ड. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज कॉल्ड द गाइडलाइंस फॉर गवर्निंग द कंट्री. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट रिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन द वर्ल्ड. Democracy is the rule of the people, by the people and for the people. Gram Panchayat is considered to be the smallest panchayat in the country. Parliament is considered to be the largest panchayat in the country. Constitution of India has given the right to vote to every citizen over the age of 18 years. Child labor is considered main inequality, and in India it is a violation of law to employ children for any work under the age of 14 years. If the child under 14 years is employed for any work, it is called child labor. If we keep cleanliness, we can tell other for cleanliness. अगर हम सफाई रखेंगे तभी किसी को सफाई करने के लिए कह सकते हैं. Now is a true or false? India is a communist country. It's not a communist. It's a democracy country. So it's wrong. India is a vast and diverse country. It's a right. Equality means all are equal and respectable. Yes, it's a right. Democratic government is formed according to the will of the people. It's a right. Wrong. Child labor, so inequality. It's a right. Child labor is a violation of the right to education, right? It is a violation to law to employ children under the age of 16 years. No, it's under the age of 14 years. So it's a wrong. Child labor is also employed in some places in a pay less. Yes, it's right. People will. Disabilities, women and small children are paid less. Yes, it's right. If we respect someone, someone will respect us. Yes, this one also right. Now here. India, country having diversity, constitution and equal right for all, right to vote over the age of 18 years, child's fundamental right to education, age of 6 to 14 years. Okay, so first ka third, second ka first, third ka fifth and fourth ka 2. Now here some question answer, short question answer you have to write down in your notebook also. Why has constitution been drafted? So India is a vast and diverse country with the largest democracy in the world. Therefore, for the proper management of the country, constitution has been drafted. What is equality? Equality means all are equal and respectable. Give the definition of democracy. Definition of democracy. Democracy is the rule of the people, by the people and for the people. Who get the right to vote? Every citizen of India above the age of 18 years get a right to vote. What are the functions of the election commission? The election commission has made special arrangement to show that all the registered voters in the country can cast their votes without any fear. It creates a special voting facility for women and differently abled voters. Of what violation is the child labor considered? Child labor is considered a violation of child's right to forced and compulsory education. What right have all children of India? So all children of India have the right to free to compulsory education from the age of 6 to 14 years. Number 8. The employ a child for any work of what age is a violation of law. It is a violation of law to employ a child for any work under the age of 14 years. Why should child labor be stopped? So child labor is inequality in our society. It is an exploitation of children. It is also a violation of the right to education. It is a legal offence to employ a child for and work under the age of 14. Therefore, child labor should be stopped. In what matter in the man and woman discriminate? Man and woman doing the same work are discriminated in paying wages. What is democracy? According to former US President Abraham Lincoln, democracy is the rule for the people, by the people and for the people. Democracy is a system of governance which is formed by the vote of the people and governed by elected representatives. In what matter have we been given the right to equality? The Constitution of India has given the fundamental rights to all citizens. Number 1, equality among individuals of different religion. Number 2, equality in personal development. Number 3, equality based on gender. Number 4, equality in getting education. Equality based on language or dialect. Number 6, equality on expression of thoughts. Number 7, equality in government job, public employment, business, use of public place, social life, etc. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर यही नोटबुक में लिखना है, ओके ना. सो राइट इन नोटबुक, बाकी के आपको वर्कबुक में कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, नाउ हियर what is necessary for the overall development of an individual. So for the overall development of the individual, it is necessary to exercise the right to equality properly without any discrimination on the basis of religion, language, gender, race, ethnicity, color or the place of the world. Equality in democracy. So India is a democratic country. Equality is a fundamental principle of democracy. The Constitution of India has given the fundamental right of equality to all citizens of the country. By this right, equality of law and equal protection by the law are given to all citizens. India, every citizen is given the right to equality without any discrimination of religion, race, caste, gender, language, color or public or place of birth. Everyone is given equal opportunity to get education, development, employment and religion. Overall development can be achieved through the right to equality. Is a democracy. The right to equality is also essential for maintaining our self-esteem. This is equality in surface. So India is a democratic system of government. In a democracy, government is formed by the vote of the people. For the constitution of our country has given equal suffrage to every citizen of the age of 18 years. Every citizen has the right to vote. Through equality to right among us, different religion, language, gender or economic difference. All the registered or citizen of the country can vote without any fear by the suffrage. The Election Commission wants every citizen to be fearless and exercise their right to vote. The Election Commission tries to ensure that the many voters as possible cast their vote during election. The last question is child labor and child rights. So every child has a fundamental and legal right to education for the holistic development of personality. Every child in our country has been given the legal right to free, compulsory and universal education for 6 to 14 years. Therefore, a child under the age of 14 cannot be employed at child labor in a violation of the law. For children to be employed for any work at school age, employer can be punished legally for the violation of this law. So do complete chapter 15 in workbook. Okay, this is your homework. We will meet again next session. Till then, bye.